Okay, now the last step, which is adding the captions and adding the text on our videos. It is so simple to do because it is already integrated on CapCut. For this, you need just to go to captions, and then you need to be sure that all the audio are activated. Then you just to click on generate. Make sure that you have your own language is already selected. Then you need to click on generate. It will take a couple of seconds. It depends on the duration of your video, but if it is only 1 minute or 2 minute video, it will be so quick. You see, we have already created all the captions for our video. For us, we need just to select the style of our text. For me, I prefer this one, Shelton. You can use it if you want, but if you want to do your own style of text, you have a lot of templates or style font. I will click on Shelton. I will add this style, and that's it, guys.
This woman married her own stepson. Cradled her rival's children.
For the black scenes, you know my style, guys. I prefer, since it is a black scene, I want to move the caption on the middle. Then I will make it a little bigger, and that's it. Then your call to action, which is the text that will ask the viewer to comment or to download your PDF or to join your course or to join your Discord channel. It depends on you, guys. You want to add it also in your video. For this, you need just to click on text. Then you need to search on yours. For me, I have created my preset. It is here, but I will show you how. You go to text template. Then you need to find your text style you want to add. For example, I will use this one. Just an example, guys. You need to click download it and you click on plus. He will add it here. Then you need to, for example, ask the viewer to comment PDF, and I will send you the link. Then the text will be added here. It depends on you, guys. There is a lot of styles of text. It is just an example here together.
She's sent to a convent, locked away for life. Even marry your...
You need to just be sure that it is only 5 seconds or 6 seconds. And that's it, guys. Now our video is ready. The final step is just to go and export the video. We need to make sure that it is 4K or 2K. It depends on the platform. If it is on YouTube, you need to be sure that it is 4K or at least 2K. Give it a name. And that's it, guys.